Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram. Vlog number 21 is covering 10 names of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamavali, 10 of the 1000 names, and it starts with the 191st name. Where is it in this painting? Right here. Om Hamsaya Namaha, Om Suparnaya Namaha, Om Bhujagottamaya Namaha, Om Hiranya Nabhaya Namaha, Om Sutapase Namaha, Om Padmanabhaya Namaha, Om Prajapataye Namaha, Om Amrutayave Namaha, Om Sarvadrushe Namaha, Om Simhaya Namaha. So these 10 names, you will understand the meanings of it, and this vlog number 21 will also cover a story about Hamsa. Hamsaya Namaha refers to a bird called Hamsa. What is this all about, and where exactly is that bird leading to? That's what you're going to see in this vlog number 21. Thank you very much. Bye.